were foolish then, but our trials serve to make us strong. The burdens are not yours alone. We've sought the answers for so long, but they're not free. They cost you more than they cost me.